If you test software, then check out my productivity scripts. They'll make your job faster and easier. Hi, I'm Scott. I've been testing software in the Seattle high-tech area for the past 20 years, and I can help you with your career growth so that you earn more money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the productivity scripts. You've already downloaded them and installed them anywhere on your file system. I've got them installed in my home directory under QATOOLBOX-PRODUCTIVITY-SCRIPTS. There's a README folder, and in there are download instructions and install instructions. Open up the installation instructions. The first instruction is to open up the link to this infographic. It will help you understand how I've laid out the environment variables and directory structure. I use productivity scripts at work and at home. I have a MacBook at work and a Linux machine at work and a Mac Air at home. I've organized them into groups. My work MacBook and my home Mac Air, I've called these organized in a group called Mac OS. Some of the file folder structures will show as Mac OS. And my MacBook and Linux machine at work are in work folders. You're going to want to set up your environment variables. I've got 3 samples. Look in one of these files for examples how to set up your environment variables. You're going to want to customize PS-dir, which is where you've installed the productivity scripts. WW-dir is where your workspace is, where you do your automation tasks. And remote host, which is if you have to connect to a remote host at work. There's more configuration to do. So if you want to enable some of the scripts I use at work, then set up this host group work environment variable. If you want to use environment scripts that I use at both work and home on my Mac OSs, then set up the second environment variable. And if you want to set up scripts for a specific host, name it here. So use this as a reference for some of the examples that you'll find. You're going to want to set up scripts in your Bash RC to set up the productivity scripts. There's a sample file, just copy and paste it from that file into your Bash RC. Source your Bash RC to load the scripts. And watch the videos to see what you can do. If you have any questions, reach out to me at scott@QAToolbox.org or on LinkedIn. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my content, and share this with your friends so that they get value out of this. See you in the next video on how I manage workspaces.